Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. If you have been following this case of Idaho versus Kohberger, then you likely are aware that Mr. Kohberger's family, his parents and sisters, have issued just one statement that we are aware of, and that came at the very beginning of the case. After Mr. Kohberger's arrest at his family home in Pennsylvania, Mr. Labar, who represented Mr. Kohberger, also issued a statement on behalf of the Kohberger family. We had provided you with a copy of this statement in a prior episode of the Indie Zone and are providing it to you here so that you can review it. As you see, it came in the very early days of the case, and it was the Kohberger family expressing their sorrow for the events that occurred at 1122 King, and also giving notice that they would not be making statements. We are now aware of a second statement that has been made by a private attorney on behalf of the Kohberger family. It is dated July 1st, 2025. This would have been the same day that the hearing that is scheduled for later today on change of plea and the court's notification in the court order of July 1st, 2025, regarding permitting a single photographer to be in the courtroom, where Judge Hippler also gave the topic and the purpose for the hearing, which is that it is change of plea. On July 1st, 2025, an attorney, Martin E. Soto Diaz, Chief Criminal Counsel for Amori and Associates, LLC, identifying himself as counsel for the Kohbergers, released a press release regarding statement on behalf of the Kohbergers. It reads, "In light of recent developments, the Kohbergers are asking members of the media for privacy, respect, and responsible judgment during this time. We will continue to allow the legal process to unfold with respect to all parties and will not release any comments or take any questions. We ask that you respect our wishes during a difficult time for all those affected." With the release of this statement on behalf of the Kohberger family comes unconfirmed word that they may be in attendance in Boise in Judge Hippler's courtroom for the change of plea proceedings. It is something that has been reported in the media. This will now conclude this episode of the Indie Zone. Thank you for joining us here today.